Hi boys and girls, how are you today? I'm going to talk to you today about learning to memorize facts by using movement. So one of the things right now, we're stuck inside our houses, kind of bored, we're doing our regular homework, but we're looking for some other things to do, and we're looking for some fun ways to get some exercise that are different. Well, we need to memorize our math facts. One of the most important things you need to do is to learn to memorize your math facts, because it's going to help you throughout school in math. You'll notice that I have a ball here. We're going to combine movement and our math facts and repetition to help us remember. Repetition helps us remember things, but so does movement. So when we combine more than one skill at the same time, we tend to remember things better. We make more connections in our brain. So I'm going to show you how that can work today for memorizing your math facts. So first of all, you need to pick a math fact that is hard for you to remember. Let's say we're doing fours, and I want you to get a piece of paper, a whiteboard, or some chalk, and I want you to write down the numbers in order as you skip count. So for example, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. Write those down. Okay, so you've got your list, you say them to yourself several times, and now you think you know them, so now you're going to practice them so they become just automatic. So I can jump to the rhythm, I can make a hopscotch board and jump to the rhythm on my hopscotch board, I can bounce the ball to the rhythm of the numbers. So I'm going to start with bouncing the ball to the rhythm of the numbers. By using this movement, it's going to help connect those facts to a different part of my brain that they weren't normally connected to. So here goes. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. Okay, I went all the way through 12. 12 times 4. That's something you need to be able to do. Know your facts all the way through 12. All right, so my other method I told you was to go ahead and try to do it using jumping. So if I can jump to the rhythm, that might also help me remember. So it goes like this. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. And I know it seems silly, but for some reason this helps us remember our facts. I believe it's because the different parts of our brain are making connections. Just like you do in reading, you make connections all the time. It's so that you can remember things and so that you understand better. Well, in your brain, when you make connections to those math facts in a different way, they tend to stick and you remember them later. So another option, like I said, would be to draw a course on the ground with your math facts and jump to them. Do it in order. So how does skip counting help you remember what 7 times 4 is? Well, if you can remember what 5 times 4 is, which is 20, all I have to do is skip count 24 and 28. So using skip counting to help us remember, super helpful. I can use this for spelling as well. If I want to remember how to spell words, let's take a hard word like science. I can spell it out on a piece of paper or on chalk, S-C-I-E-N-C-E, and then I can jump it until I have it. Again, it's just making those connections in our brain in a different way that helps us to remember things. So, S-C-I-E-N-C-E. Do it over and over again until you have it. And that's one way to learn to memorize. I want you guys to get outside, get some exercise, stay in your own area, but try this today. It doesn't have to be the easy facts. Do the hard ones. Do the 8s, the 6s, the 12s, and skip count that way. The faster you can do it, the more committed to your memory they'll be. Can't wait to see you again, and I hope you are having a good day. Take care.